Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to a new lesson from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will learn about the history of clothing. As per archaeological evidences, human beings began to use cloths around 400,000 before the Common Era. The early man started to wear cloth in order to protect from cold, wind and rain. But initially the man used animal fur, animal hide, leaves and barks of trees for clothing. Woven cloth. For thousands of years, the man continued to manage with the animal fur and leaves, and it's difficult to trace the exact history of woven cloth because cloth is a biodegradable material, which means that cloth gets decomposed by various microorganisms. So remains of cloths from ancient time are difficult to find. So scientists came up with another idea. They observed that body lice cannot survive without human cloth. So scientists analyzed the DNA of body lice in order to assess the age of body lice and correlate it with the time when human beings started using woven cloths. So this analysis revealed that woven cloths, they came into use around 110,000 years ago. For many thousand years to come, human beings they used draped cloths or drapery, and because they did not know how to stitch cloths. Draped cloths, you can see drapery in ancient characters of Greek mythology. In case of India, draped cloths are still popular. For example, sari and dhoti, they are not stitched cloths. Around 60,000 BC, human beings started to use needles because some remains of needles made of bone have been found from South Africa, and they show that this was the period when people learned how to stitch cloths, and it continued for many more years to come. Then with the beginning of the Chalcolithic age, when people came to know about metallurgy and they started making items of metal, that was around 5,000 years before Christ, that metal needles, they came into use. Types of cloths. Types of cloths depends on many factors like climate, geography, gender and culture. And with further advancement in technology, man was able to make specialized clothings, and because of specialized clothing, certain things became possible which were not earlier possible. So now we can withstand extreme weather, and because of specialized clothing, people can go to the Mount Everest. For mountaineering, people can go to South Pole or to Antarctica, or they can go deep sea diving also because of specialized clothing. Some specialized clothings, they protect us from harmful chemicals and fire. Cloths also protect us from harmful insects and plants. And space travel would not have been possible without specialized clothing. So a spacesuit is required for space travel. Otherwise, we cannot imagine even about space travel. So that's all for this about this lesson. Thank you.